Namaste, good evening. Let us begin. Sit comfortably. Keep your back straight. Gently close your eyes. Let's take the next 30 minutes to connect with Bhagavan Surya. Visualize the sun god in front of your eyes. Beautiful sunset. Feel the calming down effect of the sunset. Calming rays. Birds returning to their nests. The sky painted with so many colors. Let's take the next 30 minutes to pay our gratitude to the setting sun god. Bring your hands to Namaskara. Let us start with the invocation prayer to Bhagavan Ganesha all together. Gajananam bhutaganadisevitam kapittajambu phalasarabhakshitam उमासुतं शोकविनाशकारणम् नमामि विघ्नेश्वरपादपङ्कजम्. Let us take the blessings of Bhagavan Ganesha to help us complete the sadhana of learning Aditya Hridaya Stotram. We just have a few more days left as we are winding up the learning process. Slowly blink your eyes open. Let's revise yesterday's verses. नाशयत्येष वैभूतं तदेव सृजति प्रभुः पायत्येष तपत्येष वर्षत्येष गभस्तिभिः येष सुप्तेषु जागर्ति भूतेषु परिनिष्ठितः एष एवाग्निहोत्रं च फलं चैवाग्निहोत्रिणाम् वेदाश्च क्रतवश्चैव क्रतूनां फलमेव च यानि कृत्यानि लोकेषु सर्व एष रविः प्रभुः. Let's move on to today's shloka verses. Today's shlokas 25, 26 and 27. So the actual Aditya Hridayam is complete up to verse 24. So verse 25 onwards, the Phala Shruti begins. Phalam means the result or the fruit of our chanting. That is what is mentioned. So let's first look at the verse. Ena ma patsu. Ena ma patsu. So there is a half the followed by sa. So stress on that th, it. Ena ma patsu. Krichreshu. So again, there is a lot of stressing required. Krich, this is kr, not kru or kr, this is kr. Krich, there is a half ch, and then there is a mahaprana ch, and again there is a half r. So krichreshu, krichreshu. Okay, stress the ch a little more. Kantareshu, kantareshu, half na, so kantareshu. So when you are chanting, that half na should be heard, not katareshu, kantareshu. Bhayeshu cha, bhayeshu cha, bha mahaprana, sh murdhanya sh, roll your tongue, bhayeshu cha. एनमापत्सु कृच्छ्रेषु कान्तारेषु भयेषु च. Second line, Kirtayan. This is Dirgha ki, so extend the ki, Kir. There is a half ra, Kirtayan. Half, this is half matra na, in. So Kirtayan, Purushaha, Purushaha. There is a Visarga. Here, Kashchin. So this whole word is Kashchinnavasi vasidati. Kashchinnavasidati. So because we want to break for the third pada, we are going to say Kashchin. There is one half na and a full na. So we will break at that half na and say Kashchin. So the third pada will be Kirtayan Purushah Kashchin. So whenever Visarga is followed by K, we have to say Purushah, Purushah Kashchin. That Visarga you won't say Purushaha Kashchin, you say Purushah Kashchin. Kashchin. Stop there for the ending of the third pada. Take a break. Then begin the fourth pada. Nava Sidati. Nava Sidati. Half na goes to the third pada. So remaining na. So Nava Sidati Raghava. Raghava. Nava Sidati Raghava. That is the fourth pada. So the meaning, now that the Aditya Hridayam Stotram is complete, now sage Agastya says Raghava. Raghava here refers to Rama. So Raghava is another name for Bhagavan Rama. So O Rama. Okay, O Rama. Enam. Enam here refers to the sun god. Okay. So Enam Apatsu. In Tamil also we say Abat Kalam. Apat Kalam means times of distress. So Apatsu, whenever there are times of distress, Krichreshu, when there are difficulties, challenges, Kantareshu. Kantareshu is when there are like calamities, grief, those times. Bhayeshu, when there is fear. So cha means and. When you know any of these situations you face, then praise the glory of sun god. Kirtayan. Kirti means praising. Who? Enam, the sun god himself. Whoever praises. Okay, so whoever praises, Kashchin Navasidati, they will not be affected by any of those. Whoever praises sun god will not be affected by all those things, distress, difficulties, fear, etc. So this is the phalam or fruit of chanting Aditya Hridayam. Let's begin chanting. Enamapatsu krichreshu. Enamapatsu krichreshu. Enamapatsu krichreshu. Kantareshu bhayeshu cha. Kantareshu bhayeshu cha. Kantareshu bhayeshu cha. Kirtayan purushah kaschin. Kirtayan purushah kaschin. कीर्तयन् पुरुषः कश्चिन् नावसीदति राघव नावसीदति राघव नावसीदति राघव. Now the first line. एनमापत्सु कृच्छ्रेषु कान्तारेषु भयेषु च एनमापत्सु कृच्छ्रेषु कान्तारेषु भयेषु च एनमापत्सु कृच्छ्रेषु कान्तारेषु भयेषु च. Second line. कीर्तयन् पुरुषः कश्चिन् नावसीदति राघव कीर्तयन् पुरुषः कश्चिन् नावसीदति राघव कीर्तयन् पुरुषः कश्चिन् नावसीदति राघव. The complete verse all together. एनमापत्सु कृच्छ्रेषु कान्तारेषु भयेषु च कीर्तयन् पुरुषः कश्चिन् नावसीदति राघव एनमापत्सु कृच्छ्रेषु कान्तारेषु भयेषु च कीर्तयन् पुरुषः कश्चिन् नावसीदति राघव एनमापत्सु कृच्छ्रेषु कान्तारेषु भयेषु च कीर्तयन् पुरुषः कश्चिन् नावसीदति राघव. Let's move on to the next verse. The Phalashruti continues. Pujayasvai. So again we earlier saw this word Pujayasva. It means worshipping. So Pujayasvainam. So half sa. So stress on that. Pujayasvainam. Vainam ekagro. Mekagro. Pujayasvainamekagro. There is a half g and a full ro. So kagro. Stress on that half g. Pujayasvainamekagro. Devadevam. Devadevam. Jagatpatim. Jagatpatim. So half the followed by pa. So stress on that half the. Jagatpatim. Devadevam Jagatpatim. Third pada. Etat Trigunitam. So here there is a half the and then it is 3. So Etat Trigunitam. Etat Trigunitam. So you can take a slight pause. Etat Trigunitam. Trigunitam Japtva. So here there are two half letters. Half pa, half the and then full va. So Japtva. Stress on that ip and that it a lot more. Japtva. Japtva. Etat Trigunitam Japtva Yuddheshu. Yuddheshu. So there is a half the followed by full the. So yuddheshu. Yuddheshu. Bijayishyasi. Bijayishyasi. There is a half murdanya sha. So stress on that. Bijayishyasi. Yuddheshu. Bijayishyasi. So now Sage Agastya is saying Pujayasva Enam, Enam sun god, Pujayasva, worship the sun god, who is the god of the gods, Deva Devam, Jagatpatim, the lord of the Jagat, the lord of the universe. How do you worship? You worship with Ekagra. Ekagra means single pointed attention. So pujayas vainam enam and then ekagro. Ekagra is that one undivided single pointed attention. How do you what is the practice you have to do? You have to chant 3 times. Having so here Sage Agastya is saying chant this prayer 3 times. Trigunitam. Trigunitam means 3 times. If you chant etat trigunitam japtva, japtva is chanting, japa, right? So japtva. Having chanted this prayer 3 times, yuddheshu vijayishyasi. Vijaya means victory. Yuddha, in the battle, you will emerge victorious in this battle. Yuddheshu vijayishyasi. So this is also the continuation of the Phalashruti. What is the benefit of chanting? We chant 3 times. We chant with single pointed attention. We address this sun god as Deva Devam, he is the Jagatpatim, and then we emerge victorious. So, in the battle, so we discussed this already. Battle for us is not like we are going to go and fight a war against the demons and asuras of today's times, but it is more towards the battles that we face, the 6 enemies that we saw earlier. So, these are the battles and challenges that we need to address. And that is why, for us, Aditya Hridayam is going to help us emerge victorious in this internal battle. Let's chant. Pujayasvainamekagro. Pujayasvainamekagro. पूजयस्वैनमेकाग्रो देवदेवं जगत्पतिं देवदेवं जगत्पतिं देवदेवं जगत्पतिम् एतत्त्रिगुणितं जप्त्वा एतत्त्रिगुणितं जप्त्वा एतत्त्रिगुणितं जप्त्वा युद्धेषु विजयिष्यसि युद्धेषु विजयिष्यसि युद्धेषु विजयिष्यसि. First line complete. पूजयस्वैनमेकाग्रो देवदेवं जगत्पतिं पूजयस्वैनमेकाग्रो देवदेवं जगत्पतिं पूजयस्वैनमेकाग्रो देवदेवं जगत्पतिम् एतत्त्रिगुणितं जप्त्वा युद्धेषु विजयिष्यसि एतत्त्रिगुणितं जप्त्वा युद्धेषु विजयिष्यसि एतत्त्रिगुणितं जप्त्वा युद्धेषु विजयिष्यसि. Entire verse. पूजयस्वैनमेकाग्रो देवदेवं जगत्पतिम् एतत्त्रिगुणितं जप्त्वा युद्धेषु विजयिष्यसि पूजयस्वैनमेकाग्रो देवदेवं जगत्पतिम् एतत्त्रिगुणितं जप्त्वा युद्धेषु विजयिष्यसि पूजयस्वैनमेकाग्रो देवदेवं जगत्पतिम् एतत्त्रिगुणितं जप्त्वा युद्धेषु विजयिष्यसि. Now, Balashruti is getting complete. Asmin, half sa followed by full mi. So you say asmin, stress on that sa. Asmin kshane, kshane. So sh has k and murdanya sh. combined. So we say ksha. Kshane mahabaho. Asmin kshane mahabaho. Ravanam. Ravanam tvam. This is half the and full va. Tvam. Tvam. Ravanam tvam badishyasi. The Mahaprana. There is a half murdanya sh. Badhishyasi. Badhishyasi. Again, there is a anuswara followed by half the. So it is okay to say Ravanam Tvam, Ravanam Tvam. But for ease of chanting, typically what we do is we take the anunasika of the letter. So for example, here it is the. So the anunasika of tavarga is ta, tha, dha, the, na. So instead of saying Ravanam Tvam, we can say Ravanantvam. Ravanantvam. So when you say Ravanantvam, it becomes more easy. You don't close your mouth Ravanam and then you have to stress for Tvam. So it's only to make the chanting easier. So whichever is comfortable, you can choose. Ravanantvam or Ravanamtvam. Badashyasi. Eva muktva. There is a half k and a half the followed by va. So eva muktva, muktva. So in English you can see k, t and then v. So muktva, eva muktva. There is a slight change here. Here it says tatogastyo. We will say tadagastyo, tadagastyo. Meaning wise it doesn't change. Tadagastyo jagama, jagama, cha. Instead of sa, we will say cha. Jagama cha yathagatam, yathagatam. This tha is Mahaprana. Yathagatam. Eva muktva tatagastyo jagama cha yathagatam. Jagama cha yathagatam. So the meaning here, Mahabaho, O mighty armed one. Agastya is just about to leave, so he is like, giving his parting, encouraging message. He says, Rama, you are the mighty armed one, Mahabaho. Asmin kshane, at this very moment. Kshanam means moment. Asmin kshane, at this very moment. Ravanam tvam vadishyasi. You will be able to kill Ravana at this very moment. So now that you chant this Aditya Hridaya Stotram, chant it 3 times with a focused mind, and then you will be able to emerge victorious in the battle. You will be able to kill Ravana at this very moment. That is his parting message. Eva Muktva. Having said so, Agastya, he leaves in the same way as he had come. Jagamacha yatagatam. Yatagata means whatever way, whichever way he came in, he goes back in the same way. So Agastya tadagastyo jagama cha yatagatam. Let's begin the chanting. Asmin kshane mahabaho. Asmin kshane mahabaho. Asmin kshane mahabaho. Ravanam tvam vadishyasi. Ravanam tvam vadishyasi. Ravanam tvam vadishyasi. Eva muktva tadagastyo. Eva muktva tadagastyo. Eva muktva tadagastyo. Jagama cha yatagatam. Jagama cha yatagatam. Jagama cha yatagatam. First line. Asmin kshane mahabaho. Ravanam tvam vadishyasi. Asmin kshane mahabaho. Ravanam tvam vadishyasi. अस्मिन् क्षणे महाबाहो रावणं त्वं वधिष्यसि। एवमुक्त्वा तदागस्त्यो जगाम च यथागतम्। एवमुक्त्वा तदागस्त्यो जगाम च यथागतम्। एवमुक्त्वा तदागस्त्यो जगाम च यथागतम्। फुल वर्स। अस्मिन् क्षणे महाबाहो रावणं त्वं वधिष्यसि। एवमुक्त्वा तदागस्त्यो जगाम च यथागतम्। अस्मिन् क्षणे महाबाहो रावणं त्वं वधिष्यसि। एवमुक्त्वा तदागस्त्यो जगाम च यथागतम्। अस्मिन् क्षणे महाबाहो रावणं त्वं वधिष्यसि। एवमुक्त्वा तदागस्त्यो जगाम च यथागतम्. Let's revise. We'll go slowly. एनमापत्सु कृच्छ्रेषु कान्तारेषु भयेषु च कीर्तयन् पुरुषः कश्चिन् नावसीदति राघव। पूजयस्वैनमेकाग्रो देवदेवं जगत्पतिम्। एतत् त्रिगुणितं जप्त्वा युद्धेषु विजयिष्यसि। अस्मिन् क्षणे महाबाहो रावणं त्वं वधिष्यसि। एवमुक्त्वा तदागस्त्यो जगाम च यथागतम्. So we have completed till 27. There's just 4 more verses left. So tomorrow we will take up 28, 29 and 30. Saturday we will do 31. 31 is slightly a longer shloka. So 31 we will complete, and we will do a complete chanting from 1 to 31 at a very slow pace. And then we will complete on Sunday. Sunday maybe we will try to chant 2 or 3 times all together. Sit comfortably. Close your eyes. Let the vibrations of the chanting settle down in your mind. Feel the vibrations in your head region. Recollect the meaning of the Phalashruti that we heard about today. Let's have the Shraddha, that same Aditya Hridayam that gave strength to Bhagwan Rama will also give us strength and vitality in all our endeavors. Bring your hands to Namaskara. Let us conclude with the Loka Prarthana all together. Om Swasti Prajabhyah Paripalayantam Nyayena Margena Mahim Mahishaha Go Brahmanebhyah Shubhamastu Nityam नित्यम् लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु. Let us pray for the well-being of everybody. Gently open your eyes. Thanks for joining today. I'll see you all tomorrow.